Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to upload videos on Facebook. So to get started, go ahead and tap on Facebook application and then you will be appear with this screen interface on your mobile phone. So what you're gonna do in order to upload videos on Facebook is click on that image option right beside the what's on your mind. Simply tap on it and then select the video you want to upload. Once you do it, you will be appear with your post to upload, so you can add any captions or you can even tag friends, add music, and you can also share it to Instagram. Once it's done, simply tap on post option and it will be successfully posted on Facebook. So that's all guys, I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.